Okay, welcome to Shareability Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson. This is my telephone number and our email e-learning@shareability.net. In today's video, we shall be able to look at finding the area of a circle. Of course, we have been looking at geometry shapes. We had looked at various shapes, how we can find their area, but particularly today we shall be looking at the area of a circle. The area of a circle. So for us to be able to find the area of a circle, we need to know the knowledge about the what? About the circle. They are saying the area of a circle can be found using a formula. Here we have to use formulas for us to be able to find the area of a circle. When they talk about the area of a circle, they are meaning the space which is occupied within that shape of a circle. For example, if you have been given our circle as this, and they tell you to find the area of this circle, they are simply meaning they want you to find the space within these circles. Yeah, so we have to apply formulas for us to be able to find the area of this circle. So in those formulas, what we have to understand is that in this formula we shall be using a formula called pi r squared, pi r squared, pi r squared, as you are seeing I'm doing it here. So they are saying that in this formula A stands for, okay, here we are saying this is area is equal to pi r squared. Okay, so now here we are trying to explain that our area, which is A, is equal to pi r squared. So in this formula, our A stands for the area. Okay, our A stands for what? Stands for the area. Then our pi stands for, it is a mathematical symbol which means pi. So it is drawn in this way, and it is a number which is approximately to 3.14. That means for us to understand this mathematical symbol, it is the same as 3.14. They are saying it is a number approximately 2. That means there are some other values which might change, which might change from 3.14, because they are telling you it is approximately. Okay. Then our r, which is the radius, represent the what? The radius of that circle. Okay. So last time we were able to look at the radius of a circle. We said the radius of a circle from the center of this circle, we shall be able to know, or we can be able to identify which one is the radius. So in this circle, we can say our radius is that one. In simple term, our radius is half of the diameter. Half of the diameter. This is, you can say our radius is equal to half of what? Half of the diameter. Then our diameter is radius times 2, or 2 radius is the same as our diameter. Okay, so here we shall be dealing with what? With our radius. Okay, so we are going to apply this formula in solving out problems when given. Let's have a look at these problems that we might be given. Okay, so you can see in our picture here, or in our diagram here, we have been given different categories of circles, but we shall be able to find the area of these circles which are given. We have our circle 1. Okay, here they have identified as circle 3. We also have another circle. Here they are saying it is circle 4. Okay, so we shall be able to find out the areas of this this circle. Okay, let me have a look at this. Let's look at this. Let's start one by one using our formula that has been given as area equal to pi r squared, where our pi is the number which is approximately to 3.14, where our radius is half of the diameter. Then our radius shall be r what? R squared. Alright, so let's have a look at how we can solve this problem, because I have been given our circle here and they want us to find the area of that circle. Okay, uh, we shall be able to use our formula where our area is equal to pi, okay, pi r squared, pi r what squared. Now when you look at our circle here, uh, when you look at our circle here, let me have a drawing of our circle here after stating the area. Okay, this is our what? This is our circle. We have a center, and from the center we are having our radius, which is 3 centimeters. Okay, we have our 3 centimeters here as our radius. And then what else do we have? Okay, so when this is our circle, we can now be able to find the area of a circle, because we have we have the radius, and we know that our pi, it is a number which is approximately to 3.14. So we shall be able to find now our area. So here we shall be able to say our area our area will be equal to our pi r squared okay, pi r squared. Now here we shall be able to state our what? Our values. If you have our area shall be equal to, what is our pi? We said our pi, please be able to draw this very well. Okay, our pi shall be equal to 3.14. Okay, 3.14. Then our radius r will be equal to 3. Okay, our radius will be equal to what? Will be equal to 3. But we can see that our radius here is squared. So you can decide and see on the way how you can either complete it from here, or you do it in the other way around. Okay, let's try this simple method. Now we know our pi as 3.14. We know our radius as 3. So here we shall be able to say that our area, okay, our area will be equal to our pi, which is 3.14 times our radius. What is our radius? Our radius is 3. So we shall say our radius, which is a 3, okay, which is a 3, but we have seen that our radius is what? Our radius is squared. Okay, let me have a look at this and I write it very well, because I can see it is not seen very well. Okay, let me write it very well such that everyone can see it. Okay, we are saying our area is equal to our pi, which is 3.14, and then times our radius, which is 3. But our 3 is what? Is squared. okay, is squared. When something is squared, our 3 squared is the same as our 3 squared is the same as 3 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3 uh, 3 times 3 is the same as 3 squared. Okay, so here we shall be able to say our 3.14 times, what is our 3 times 3 is the same as 9. Okay, so here we shall be able to get our area as our area shall be equal to, what is 3.14 times 9. What is 3.14 times 9? So we shall be able to get our answer. Someone with an answer? Someone with an answer? Okay, good idea. Thank you for having an answer. So here we can be able to get our answers. 28, okay, 28.26. So that is going to be our what? That is going to be our area. So that means if you want to know the area of this circle, we shall be able to get 28. Please, this is 28. It looks the other way around, but it is what? It is 28. Okay. So but here that's how we can be able to get our what? Our area. Okay. So that is how we can solve problems as far as area is concerned. This, they can give you an area like this, and they tell you to find the radius. So it is still the same thing. When they give you the what, the area as 28, if our area is equal to 28, okay, area is equal to 28, we are trying this. If you have our area equals 28.26, okay, and they tell you to find the radius, that means we shall be able to say our 28, which is 28.6.26, okay, shall be equal to our formula, which is pi r squared. Remember here we want what? We want now the radius. Okay, we want the radius. How shall we do this? We shall be able to say that our 28, which is equal to this, our 28.6.26 shall be equal to our standard approximate number of our pi, which is 3.14 r squared. Okay, so this means we shall be having our figure here. So we want our radius. Okay, so you shall just divide our 3.14 divided by 3.14. Okay, 3.14, and also here we also divide it by our 3.14. So this 3.14 and 3.14 here, they shall go for marriage. So we shall be able to remain with our 28.26 is equal to our radius squared. Okay, our radius what? Squared. Then here divide by our 3.14. Okay, so when you divide our 28.6 divide by 3.14, who has an answer? Someone with an answer? Okay, So this is the answer we come up with. Remember, this is going to be squared. So our 9 is equal to radius squared. Now we see our radius is squared, and here we have our 9. So here what we do, we introduce what we call square roots. We introduce a square root on each side such that we can solve that this square root is cancelled with this squared. Okay, so here we shall be able to remain with our radius, which is equal to, what is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is 3. So you can see that we can be able to find out the radius, which is the same as what we were given here. Alright, simply that's how we can find a problem as far as area of a circle. Okay, let's also find out and see what these guys were be able to get. They were able to get our radius as 3 centimeters. They used the formula as we have done, times this, they're able to get the same what? The same answer. And also on our circle 4, let me see our circle 4. Our circle 4 had, 4 meters, okay? Our circle 4 had what? Had 4 meters. Let's see how these people solved it. Our circle 4, they are saying our circle 4, they had given us the diameter. Okay, the diameter was given in meters, which is equal to 4 meters. And then they were saying if the diameter is equal to 4 meters, then the radius is 2 meters. Remember, here we said that our radius is the same as 2 radii. Okay, 2 what? 2 radii, 2 radii, 2 radii. That's the same as 2 times 2, or our radius is the same as radius plus radius. Then we get the diameter. So here they are able to say our area is equal to pi r squared times our area is equal to the value of pi, which is 3.14 times the radius, this squared. They were able to get our 12.56 meters squared. They were putting meters squared because our SI unit is of meters, is meters what? Meters squared. Okay, so that's how we can solve a problem related to uh, uh, the area of a what? The area of a circle. So hope everyone has been able to follow me up and get a solution and understand on how we can find area of a circle. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please be able to check out, like and subscribe for you to be able to get the more upcoming lessons, and for supporting us. Thank you very much. Have a good moment.